Welcome to Compare to Win. The best strawberry pods is probably one of the most exciting ways to bring the taste of fresh, homegrown strawberries right into your kitchen, regardless of your gardening experience or the season outside, offering a convenient and rewarding way to enjoy this beloved fruit year-round with minimal effort and maximum flavor. Number 5. Click and Grow Smart Garden Basil Plant Pods, 3-pack. Introducing the Click and Grow Smart Garden Basil Plant Pods. Grow your own nutritious basil at home with absolutely zero effort. No green thumb required. This herb is a fantastic source of essential vitamins and minerals. It can truly transform both your food experiences and your health. Often called the king of herbs, it's a great source of vitamins and minerals. You haven't truly tasted basil until you've picked it fresh from your own garden. Using it is incredibly easy. Just insert the plant pods, fill the water tank, and plug in your smart garden. It works with all Click and Grow smart gardens. We offer a 100% germination guarantee. If your plant pods don't germinate, Click and Grow will replace them for free. What we like. This option is perfect for those who want to add fresh herbs to their cooking with absolutely no fuss. If you're looking for a guaranteed way to grow your own basil with minimal effort and maximum health benefits, this is the one for you. It's ideal for beginners or anyone who wants to enjoy fresh ingredients without the gardening stress. Number 4. INBLOOM Hydroponics Seed Pod Kit. Introducing the all-in-one home garden kit, designed to make starting your indoor herb garden simple. It includes everything you need, from organic seeds to plant food, perfect for any gardener. Our plant pods are designed for broad compatibility, working seamlessly with popular hydroponic systems like AeroGarden and INBLOOM. They are also great for repotting when your plants are ready. We take pride in our locally sourced products. All our seeds are organic, heirloom, and GMO-free, grown and packaged right here in the USA, ensuring high germination rates for your harvest. Enjoy a variety of popular fruits and vegetables with our kit. You'll find seeds for strawberries, tomatoes, cucumbers, peas, and beets, offering a diverse selection for your indoor garden. Our kit features durable, reusable grow baskets and nutrient-rich, biodegradable peat sponges. These premium supplies ensure optimal growth conditions for your plants. Give the gift of fresh, homegrown produce year-round. This kit makes a wonderful present for family and friends who love gardening, perfect for any occasion. We stand by our quality. If any seed doesn't sprout within 2 weeks, we'll send you a replacement. Grow with confidence and enjoy a rewarding gardening experience. What we like. This kit offers an incredible variety for those who love to experiment in the kitchen. If you are looking for a comprehensive starter pack with a wide range of fruits and vegetables that works with most systems, this is an excellent choice. It's great for families or anyone who enjoys having a diverse selection of fresh produce readily available. What people say. The plants grew fast and were very healthy. The strawberries were delicious and the plants produced a lot of fruit. The pods were easy to use and the instructions were clear. Number 3. Red Strawberry and Pineberry Seed Pod Kit. This kit provides all the essentials for your hydroponics setup. It includes 5 types of strawberry seeds, grow sponges, domes, baskets, labels, and plant nutrients for endless harvests. Our seed pod kits are designed to work seamlessly with popular brands like AeroGarden, INBLOOM, and Garden. Enjoy convenience and reliability at an economical price. We source all our seeds in America. They are heirloom, non-GMO, and non-hybrid, ensuring high germination rates. Plus, our resealable bags let you save seeds for future growing seasons. Looking for a special present? These heirloom vegetable seeds make a wonderful gift for anyone who loves fresh food, gardening, or preparing for the future. It's a memorable gift for any occasion. Our grow sponges offer an optimal air-to-water ratio for healthy root development. The included plant food provides essential nutrients for all stages of growth, while the accessories are durable and reusable. What we like. This is the ultimate choice for strawberry enthusiasts and those seeking unique flavors. If you're looking to grow not just regular strawberries but also exciting varieties like pineberries, this kit is perfect for you. It's ideal for anyone who wants to impress with gourmet ingredients or enjoys the novelty of growing rare fruits. What people say. The plants grew fast and were healthy. The strawberries grew well and tasted great. Number 2. Red Strawberry and Pineberry Seed Pod Kit. This kit provides everything you need to start your hydroponics garden. It includes a variety of heirloom and non-GMO seeds, grow sponges, domes, baskets, foil stickers, and plant nutrients for endless harvests. Our seed pod kits are designed for universal compatibility. They work seamlessly with AeroGarden, IDO, AHOPA Mufka, and most other hydroponics growing systems, offering convenience and reliability. Experience the quality of American-sourced, heirloom and non-GMO seeds. With a high germination rate, you can enjoy fresh produce directly from your garden to your table. We use premium materials for all our supplies. The biological peat sponges ensure healthy root development, while the plant food provides essential nutrients for robust growth. Your gardening success is our priority. We guarantee germination within 3 weeks or will send a replacement kit, ensuring you can grow with confidence. What we like. This option is fantastic for those who prioritize organic, heirloom quality and want peace of mind. If you are looking for a reliable and economical way to grow a variety of fruits and vegetables, especially strawberries and tomatoes, this kit is a great fit. It's suitable for anyone who values sustainable growing practices and wants a guaranteed germination experience. What people say. The plants grew quickly and were healthy. I was impressed with how many strawberries we got from just a few pods. The pods were easy to set up and the plants started growing within a week. Number 1. INBLOOM Fruit Seed Pod Kit for Hydroponics. Introducing the INBLOOM Fruit Seed Pod Kit, perfect for your indoor garden. Easily grow delicious strawberries and tomatoes right in your home. This kit is designed to work with all major hydroponic systems, including AeroGarden and IDO. Get everything you need to start growing high-quality produce. Experience a high germination rate of over 90% with our easy-to-follow guides. Growing has never been simpler or more fun, whether you're a beginner or a pro. We use only premium, non-GMO seeds, ensuring quality and health for your indoor harvest. Enjoy safe, natural, and delicious fruits grown by you. This kit includes everything you need, a variety of fruit seeds, grow baskets, sponges, domes, protective stickers, and plant food. Create a colorful garden with diverse flavors. Your satisfaction is our priority. We offer excellent customer service to assist you on your gardening journey. Contact us with any questions you may have. What we like. This kit is designed for those who want a simple yet rewarding fruit growing experience. If you're looking to grow beautiful, high-quality strawberries and tomatoes indoors with a high success rate, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for beginners or anyone who wants to add a splash of color and flavor to their home with minimal hassle. What people say. The strawberries grew quickly and produced fruit within 6 weeks. The pods are easy to use and set up in the AeroGarden system. The plants were healthy and the fruit tasted great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.